Remove the radio. This thing pops out on the side. Pops out. There's 3 screws. 3 on each side. Then the whole gas pops out. Cut the top trim. Modify the gas. Put the Metra attached to it.
Just on the radio. Oh, you should have taped this up. Here's sound.
Just go to Flash Cash for. Hosted by JoJo Siwa. I am so excited to be a part of what you need to be loud, proud, and fabulous. More and more, cancelpride.com.
This car also has a fiber optic amplifier, which is on the back seat. To get to it, to get to the tuner and the amplifier, first thing we're going to do is to remove this side panel. Next step is to remove this rubber gasket. Anger, out. Okay, then we're going to remove this little screw right here on the silver part here. 2 screws, one on the front, one on the side. This silver trim actually has 3 screws. 4 screws? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, one on the side. This comes out. And once you do that, this can be pulled out. They just come straight forward. It should be able to just pull out, straight up. Alright, so you're just going to pull that out. Pull. Yep, that's it. Okay, this is the tuner pack. And this is the CAN bus for the steering wheel control. We're going to run the wire for that. And the actual amplifier. To get to it, there are 2 screws on the armrest holding on to this panel here. That comes out. The reason that we are taking this one out is because this entire face of it is under part of it. So in order to take this cover off, you got to take the 2 screws out from the armrest. Then this comes out. Then we'll be able to take this out. This comes out. And there should be 10 mils here. We're going to remove that. Once you have it out, this should come out. like this. Now this can be released. Wait, did you take the whole thing out? We're gonna take these two out because it's kind of hitting the back cover, so we're gonna release that. Okay, so once you remove this, you can kind of pull away from this back panel and you can lift it straight up. Daniel, pull it up. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. There is a hook right here. There's actually two screws. You can remove it if you wanted to, but it basically hooks it into the back side of the CD player. So you just simply just lift it up. It's not tightened, you just lift it up. So now you can access the amplifier, which is right down here. So we're gonna run 9 conductor wire. I'm gonna put the wiring diagram on it, and you can see what wire is what. So you release that locking tab, so you can access this. This is where the speaker wires are. Doing a backup cam here, we simply remove this back cover, wire through it, and we're going to hook up the backup cam to it. So we're going to have an antenna adapter, antenna extension, 9 conductor wire, which gets connected to the speaker wires here. We're going to have a pair data wire for the steering wheel control that goes on the CAN wire right here. Okay, this is kind of weird. There is a 1 speaker here. Usually there's a 3 or 4 speakers up there, but we only get 1 speaker up there. There is another one subwoofer under the passenger floor. Then we got 2 speakers, 1 tweeter and 1 bass here. Same thing on the other side, and 1 center channel. So now we got all that, figured it out. So the left front one, they are 2-speed pair. The orange brown and orange wire is the left front, and the right front was the blue black, which is a positive. The negative side is the brown green, light green, and one of the rear speaker we are using for the sub, which is a purple and brown gray. And another one is, we use it for the right rear, which is black and brown gray wire. I know one of the wires is sub. I believe this is the left one we use, which is a purple and brown gray wire, and the other one is up here, speaker. I don't know why they only give you 1 speaker. Either those speakers are not there or blown, but we only get 1 speaker popping. So we are using it as 1 channel, and the other side we are using it as a sub out. There's a brown wire and brown red wire. That's the pin number 1 and 2. Brown red is pin number 1. Brown wire is a pin number 2. That's for the steering wheel control. The speaker wires are very simple. You just match the colors, that's it. Because we already configure what's in the back by the tuner pack. This is a fiber optic, that's why we bypass the amplifier. We also did a steering wheel control.
was on the radio. No, you should have taped this up.
Here's sound.
Yeah, just go to Flash Cash for. Hosted by JoJo Siwa. I am so excited to be a part of. But it's the answer your customer needs to be loud, proud, and fabulous.
Radio.